You have reached your destination.
Yep. Okay, so here's today's project. Is to hook up all the Speedhut gauges. You can see that everything's pretty much plug and play with inline fuse and instructions and more instructions, plus parts and bits and more parts and bits just in case, stuff off of Barney's site, and all of that is going on to here. So, god dang it. It's getting messier in the back here. But, you know, you can see where things are color-coded. Here's a black, here's red, black, and white, and here's yellow. That correspond with this. There's the black, red, black, and white, yellow, and on and on. So this won't take me long. It's just a matter of hooking up the power distribution. All the other stuff, for example, the pressure gauge. I've got stuff here that comes from the harness, which is already hooked up. Let's see, where is it? There. There's the oil pressure. There is the water temperature. And all that's already routed through into the guts of here. Are they blue? Yep. Yep, not bad. This is going to be fun. Well, that's done. I gotta tell you, this was kind of painful today. Getting up, sitting down, bending over, picking up wire ties and stuff. My garage just looked like an electrician's, I don't know, happiness. I think this is pretty cool, but all kinds of crap on the floor and stuff to clean up. This looks like a freaking rat's nest because I haven't put this bundle together. I'm going to tie it up and make it look nice. But the rest of it's done. All I have to do is hook up the ground, which is there, and start energizing things. Hopefully not burn my car down. I'm going to do a few more things. I want to run a ground cable from ground to ground and on and on and on. I also took some time. Whenever I get tired, I stop, pull away from whatever I'm doing and do something else, or just take a break. Or walk away from a job for a while, or 3 years. So God damn it, I finished this. I moved it down too. So I'm not gonna have a rear bumper. I've got backup lights where the rear bumper holes, the mounting brackets would go, and those are there. And I think I hunted for those damn things for months, and now I'm not gonna use them. Figures. I put the license plate holder a little lower. That's all wired in. It's all wired in and looking nice. I've put connections for ground on the interior of this thing so you don't see the wires. God damn it. And on and on and on. So, not bad. I have tested it. It works. I put new bulbs in it. And let me see. So you can't really see. You can see some wires back there, but I didn't do a bad job. I just drilled a couple holes and put it through the car, and I used grommets as both spacers and shock absorbers, I guess, because it'll move just a little bit. I didn't want it directly up against the car, therefore, maybe I should have done that, because now I gotta get bolts back there. Oh well, I'll just unscrew it, put bolts in there. My cats are clamoring to get out. But, like I say, I'm not too displeased. I think it looks pretty nice. That looks pretty killer. That looks pretty killer. And then I got the rest of the garage to clean up. I will hang the dash tomorrow or the next day. And not bolt it up directly. Well, I'm going to bolt it up, but I'm going to hang it. And as a temporary thing, not cinch it up. And start testing. Yep.